Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine and doing some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to log out of your Gmail account. So first you have to log into your Gmail account. So open your browser, as I am using Google Chrome. So click on this. So your Google browser is open. Click on Gmail or click here on your Google account icon. So I am clicking on Gmail. Now you can see your Gmail account is open, and here you can see your Google account icon. Click on this and there is an option of sign out. If you are using only one account, you can simply click on the sign out button and log out of your Gmail account. If you are using multiple accounts, then first you have to click on the account from which you want to sign out. So as here I am only using one account, so I am going to click on this sign out button, and so here you can see that I am sign out from my account. In the end, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.